Do you want smooth slow motion in DaVinci Resolve without lag? In this tutorial, I will show you the exact steps to get clean results. First, find the frame where you want the slow motion to start. Select Blade Edit Mode. Cut at that frame. Now, find the frame where you want the slow motion to end. Next, switch to Selection Mode. Select the clip you just created. Go to Inspector. Scroll down and find Speed Change. Adjust the speed. Below that, you can see the FPS of the video. Do not go under 15 FPS. Now play the clip. You will see the slow motion is working, but it may look lagging. To fix this, go to Retime and Scaling in Inspector. Set the retime process to Optical Flow. Now your slow motion will look smooth and clean. Try this on your videos and see the difference.